ngifuna ukuthi yonke into ihambe kahle. Yonke into ihambe ngendlela mina engihlele ngayo. Yima! Jandeson! Zwane! Bakoy!
We're not going to enjoy that game. We're not. I mean, I saw a record. I think they said stadium is sold out on a Tuesday.
And you have never won there when we were Captain City, you know?
No.
You scored. It was 3-3 one time. But
we've drawn. Actually, you're right.
You never won.
So what
there.
are you saying?
You never won there.
Look, to be even in the position we are in, why us? Why do you come from a Nedbank Cup final and then you have a chance to decide something that's so far out of your reach? Look, it's a game of football. It's 90 minutes. We go there, we do our best. If our best is better than their best, and good luck to them.
Orlando Pirates mele iqaphele i-Orlando Pirates because got the interview ka Thabo Nodada making it Durban City as underdogs, and if nizenza underdogs, meaning you come into the game without any pressure, yabo, and you can either win or lose, it doesn't matter. But Durban City Pirates mele iqaphele. I'm not saying Uti Pirates going to lose, but mele iqaphele because indlela khulume ngayo le interview Thabo Nodada, it shows ukuthi they've done the extensive research about how they can stop the attack Orlando Pirates and how they can break Orlando Pirates. So Orlando Pirates must be very, very careful. I'm not saying Pirates going to lose, but it could be one of the biggest games Orlando Pirates have played this season, and it is going to be a decisive game for Orlando Pirates.
Durban City akubo umncwabo namhlanje. Angcwatshwa abantu namhlanje akukhalwe inyembezi emshadweni. Vele bagqoke nezimpahla ezimnyama. Impahla zabo zimnyama vele ezomncwabo. Ncwabana abantu nina namhlanje. Abangcwatshwa nje abantu namhlanje. Imina kuphela zobe zonisupport lapha eAmstel Arena esigodini. Zobe kukhona mina kuphela ngiyakhona. iKaizer Chiefs iyadlala namazulu, amazulu angifuna ukukhuluma ngawo ukudla kwethu. Siyoba ncwaba. Ncwaba Durban City nami ngiyancwaba ngapha eThekwini. Angcwatshwe nje abathi abantu beyitshela ukuthi hayi no kuzojabula kanti bazokhala. Khalisa abantu shaya abantu bekhale. Kuzobe kujabula mina ngedwa ngoba imina kuphela vele ozokusupporta namhlanje esigodini. Make me proud. Ngizobe ngikhona. Ngiyakhona futhi. Durban City akukhalwe. Kaizer Chiefs ncwaba nani ngale. Danko.
Anything might happen in this next 2 games. See?
Oh my God. Yes, anything might happen, but they in Orlando. Arena.
Hey, coach.
I don't know. Guys, sometimes you've got to give credit where it's due.
Let's just ask.
That plays gentlemen. If people they go there, they get 5, they get 6, we got 3 there, my God.
Is it because of the iconic venue or something else?
That team is at a different level, that is why we've got to give credit where it's due. This season, but
I will chew raw garlic and suck lemon if Orlando Pirates becomes champions this today. That is my prayer to each and every one of you people. If Orlando Pirates becomes champions this today, you guys remember the garlic challenge that I did. One of the worst things that I've ever done in my life. This particular today, I'm going to do it again. Not just that. I will chew the garlic, 1 clove of garlic, or just 1 clove of garlic. I will chew it. And then I suck lemon live. Not live. I will make a video, but we could also do it live. I don't care. You see, pensioners, you guys do not know that a surprise awaits you people. You guys don't know. You guys don't know that. You don't know that surprises awaits you people in this your match against Durban City. A thick envelope has been prepared for the Durban City players to motivate them if they are able to get a win against you people today or a draw. Let me just leak the secrets to each and every one of you people now. I, Grant Dilan, I spoke to my father, Dr. Patrice Mushepe, and he said to me, he gave me the go-ahead and told me, Grant Dilan, I'm giving you the go-ahead to promise Durban City players anything of their choice if they are able to stop Paris today from winning the league. So parishioners, get ready to cry. Get ready, to cry. I went for take one love.
Aku pikir kya ulan tu. Pikir kya ulan tu kamu sana marakan ore mutu tili jika guru aku gasulok. Gasulok ay no kita ganglin nus. Ay gasulok. Jesus. Wong kapi hayo. Wong poncha mazulu. Ay no.
Yazi kunabantu abathanda ukuyigqilaza nje begqilaza into zokuminca bafowethu noma ngathiwa ke sewuyaminca ucabanga ukuthi usungazominca uminca ukuthi iPirates idlala idraw noma idliwe idliwe I mean le team la elaya ku TV yePirates ucabanga ukuthi ingadlala idraw neDurban City ingalose noma ngathiwa sewuyathandaza noma ngathiwa sewuyaphupha noma ngathiwa sewungamanithandazo uyonikela entabeni wenzeni ufaste ucabanga ukuthi le team ingavimba iPirates eArena futhi ezinye izinto asimenini kancane phela le starting lineup lesi ngisibekela ayikhohlwa njengesidomo esikoleni lapha khohlwa njengesidomo esikoleni labantu abadlala le system uTito awumazi noma uphakathi noma uwide apolice benza so mfuke uTito apolice so bashara ama position benza sim swap lo maya ngapha lo ulalo uzoyenza le team ivimba ithina emeni kancane noma ngathiwani straight question clear awuthi kanjani lazo simpheko central sihlaba sekucela sabasa negotiate ne opponent officially siphakamisa ikhaphethu zositshenana 4 zamakhapha i4 before Christmas 33 nakho la sasenishaya khona ne stock fela neumbimbi nezikhombo sanishaya nakhona abaye abadlali bethu bodlala le yafkhona 4 cup yaqala emlandweni wezebhola straight question clear out kanjani Ovicho
wena ngayeka iNedbank Cup ngoba ngenzela ukuthi uhlomule kube khona ukutholayo kule season yakho yokuqala ufikile kuleli manje ke asingaxabani umuse ngakwenzela wona umkhulu kakhulu namhlanje lala nje ngesisu phansi ngoba sengifikile endleleni yami endaweni ebekufanele ngifike kuyo sengifikile ungabiki ivukela mbuso konzi ngoba ngizokuthinta nje
I'm gonna get in it. Real pass in it. Ball number 9. You're not going to get to play Premiership. Mfokeng